Happy Boxing Day, dear listeners. This is our time to show you cheap and good plots and houses for sale that are located in Bugesera district, especially in Mayange sector. This is a good and cheap plot for you. It touches directly to the main road. It has the measurement of 3215 meters with 156 square meters. Its location is Bugesera district, Mayange sector, Gakambasere, and exactly Kamugenzi village. Its price is at 900,000 only. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and support us. See you next. Iki ni ikibanza kiri mu murenge wa Mayange, akagari ka Gakamba, umudugudu wa Kamugenzi, gikora ku muhanda munini uva ku biro by'umurenge wa Mayange ujya muri iyi santere. Iki kibanza kiri ku mafaranga make 900 byonyine. Ukegukana iki kibanza gifite metero 15 z'uburebure ndetse na metero 6 z'ubugari. Ni ikibanza gitoya ariko nanone kiri ku mafaranga make cyane kandi kiri ahantu heza. 900 ukegukana kino kibanza cyiza kandi kiri ahantu heza cyane. Nubwo gito ariko ni cyiza, ukiguze wabuguze neza rwose. Uyafite hita wishyura none ahangaha ubundi ukegukane.